Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermarks from a video using a free tool. So in here, let's say you want to remove a watermark from a video that you got from maybe an AI tool, or maybe a video that gets unwanted tags like this. So what you need to do here, you just open your browser and search for a free watermark remover from video. And as you guys can see, there will be lots of options in here that you can choose. For example, let's try this magic eraser tools. You can just upload your videos in here. Click on upload video, then select the video that you want to remove its watermark. Okay, so you can just select the watermark from the video. Choose watermark like this, and now you can just click on remove now options. So the magic eraser will try to removing the watermark from your video. You can just wait until the process is done. So the process is depend on your video durations and also your internet connection. Okay, so now my video is done. You can preview the result by clicking on display button. As you guys can see, now the watermark is gone. And if you want to download it, you can just click on this drop down in here, the green one. And that's it. So guys, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.